Hello, this is Mrs. Walton. I'm recording this clip to show you how to get into Readworks. I'm on the Davis School District homepage. I can see that in the web address. I'm going to the right side where it says Quick Links. When that menu appears, I'm going to pick Email, Office 365. When that screen opens, I will choose All Apps. I will scroll down and I will find Clever. When Clever opens, my screen will look different than your screen. First of all, I'm going to log in using my Office 365 account. And I'm going to the class page that has the origami dragon. When I get here, I see Readworks. I see the code for S as in C, V as in vest, H as in horse, 7, and Z as in zebra. I'm going to click that icon, which will bring me here, and I want to go to the student login. I'm choosing the student login when it asks me to put my class code in, which is 4SVH7Z. When I continue, I will need to look for my name. I have put one of my own children in here to use as an example. Then put in the password, and I can see assignments I have to do. I can see when they are due. I can also see which assignments I've submitted. I'm going to go into this assignment called Big Burger Battle. As you see up here, there is an arrow and some time signatures which show you that this can be read aloud to you and it will take less than a minute. So you can listen to the story and you can read it. This is a story about who invented the hamburger. Then I will go to the questions and I will answer the questions. Oh, I don't know the answer to that question. I will go back to the text. Then answer the question. Oh, go back to the text and answer the question. You should get 100% because you have the availability of seeing what you have just read. And you can hit a tab and then be over on the side where there are questions. When you are finished, you will submit. It will give you a score. And I am going to review now how we get into Readworks, starting at the Davis School District homepage, where I choose Quick Links. This is the Davis School District homepage. I choose Quick Links. I go to Email, Office 365. When I reach Office 365, I go to Clever. When Clever appears, I go to the class page with the class links right here. I see there's Readworks and there is the code. I click on the shortcut. I log in as a student. I enter my class code. I find my name and I enter my password. Then my assignments will show and my submitted assignments will show. This has been how to access Readworks, starting at the Davis School District homepage. Mrs. Walton out.